what is the legal basis for the creation of PIME? You said,
Yes, as submitted, there's a provincial ordinance, September 13, 2010. It's Ordinance 008-2010, enacted by the Panlalawigan. And the name was given PIME for citizen-generated request.
may we have a copy of the ordinance, please?
I think it's been submitted. Previously submitted, September 13, 2010, SP Ordinance, Appropriation Ordinance 008-2010. I think that was
What
previously
we have in
given.
receipt is only SP Ordinance number 34-2015, 004-2.
May we have a copy, ma'am? Look at the
I'm
copy.
sorry, at this point, I don't have a copy. I merely have a summary here of the PIME. I will submit. I will look for it now.
Sayang, para matapos na sana ito eh. Because we've been asking you, Vice Governor, when you were here the other month, may we see the legal basis for the creation of PIME? You remember we asked you that?
Maybe we can ask for a copy, Your Honor.
Kasi po, hindi biro-biro po yan. So what does this ordinance say, ma'am, about this Ordinance 2010? Ano pong title niyan?
Actually, this is 2010. These are early days. It's the appropriation of the tobacco excise tax share of the province. And then the name given was PIME. Siguro nagpapauso lang yun. At eto nga, syempre, inuuso rin natin yung mga kapangalan natin. Pati,
Yes, ma'am.
dati may RUDIF din yan, yung Rural Urban Development Infrastructure Fund ni Congressman Fariñas, at yung iba't iba pang
Saan po
ginagamit
nanggaling yung
natin.
Rural Urban Development Infrastructure Fund? Where did you find
Hindi
that?
ho ba may pangalan kayo dati na project na RUDIF ang pangalan?
Wala, ma'am.
Eh, nagpapauso lang kami. May RIA din, di ba? Yung,
Wala pong RODIF na
may
sa
RIA,
probinsya.
yung rang IET amin. Pero ginagamit lang yung, syempre pinapauso lang sa atin, yung ginagamit yung ating mga pangalan.
Yes, ma'am, but hindi po sa paggastos ng pera po yun. Yung acronym po, parang RCF, Rodici Fariñas lang po yan, pero wala pong pumupuntang pera doon at wala pong nagagastos. Pero dito po sa PIME kasi, daang-daan milyon po ang napunta dyan.